Welcome to TechTether.
How to use a Verizon Nano SIM with the Netgear MR5200 mobile router. Insert the Nano SIM into the mobile hotspot. Reinsert the battery and reconnect the backing. Power on the mobile hotspot. Once booted up, you should see the carrier's name, Verizon 5G, in the upper left corner along with a yellow triangle with an exclamation in the center. Observe the LCD touch screen and swipe up, above the power button, to access the menu. You should see a warning mobile broadband disconnected. Click OK to start the APN setup. You should see a list of available APNs to choose from. Tap Swinternet from the list. Tap Swinternet from the list. Click the home icon next to the screen to complete the APN setup process.